Hi crocheters and crocheters in training. My name is Ritu and welcome to my channel. This is the third video of my How to Crochet the Basics playlist. If you haven't already, you may want to check this playlist out and watch the previous videos as I talked about how to hold my hook and yarn. Today I will be talking about how to make a slip knot and chain. These are the foundations of almost all projects, so it's pretty important. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off with a slip knot. This knot starts almost all crochet projects. First, you want to make a loop in the yarn like this. You want to make sure that at the top of the X, you want to make sure that the working yarn is on the top of the X that creates at the connection of the loop. You want to make sure that the top of it is the working yarn. Now you're going to reach in and grab some more of the working yarn so it kind of looks like this. Now you're going to hold the tail end and the working yarn and pull. That is a slip knot. Now, if you don't like how your slip knot came out or you want to practice more, you can always just pull the working end and it comes undone. I will demonstrate this again. You want to make a loop with the yarn, making sure that the working yarn is on top. Now you want to reach in and draw up some working yarn which creates a loop. Now hold the working yarn tail end and pull tight and you're done. Now I'm using a 5.5mm hook right now for demonstration purposes, and I am going to insert it into my hook. I'm going to pull tight and make it pretty snug around my hook, and I'm going to hold my yarn and hook like I taught in the previous video. Now we're going to make a chain, which is usually abbreviated as CH. So you're going to want to yarn over. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Now you want to take the second loop that you just made and pull through that first original loop. That's a chain. And now you're just, usually most projects will have you do more than 1 chain. So I'm going to slowly demonstrate me making 10 chains. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. I have made 5 chains so far. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Occasionally you will have to readjust where you're holding it. You will have to move up and down. Now I'm making my 10th chain, so that's 10 chains. A recommendation is to make your chain 1 hook size above the recommended for the project. So because it doesn't matter for demonstration and practice, just let's say you're making a blanket. If you chain too tight, the whole blanket is going to curve like this and not look right. For demonstration purposes, it does not matter. So, yeah. So, alright, we're almost done here. I'm going to quickly show you how to count chains. If you look at the top of the chain, you can see these V shapes, I guess. So, each V shape is 1 first stitch. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the other side, you can see bumps, which also are chains. Each bump here is 1 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th one is kind of hard to see, but it's there. Alright, now it's your turn to make slip knots and chain, if you weren't along with me. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please like and share to any other crocheters or crocheters to be. and subscribe for similar content. My plan for the next video is on how to single crochet and fasten off. Until then, have fun crocheting. Bye!